So now it's time to get those seed boxes out because February has arrived and there are plenty of seeds to sow in February. That way we get a head start on the season ahead. There's also the opportunity for making mistakes because there are some seeds we just cannot sow yet. And in the video today, I'll be talking to you about those you can sow and those to not sow just yet. I'm Gang Gang. Welcome to the channel. Gang Gang and Peanuts, 2 peas in a pod. Now, one of my favourite seeds to sow in February are brassicas, and I have 2 varieties that I particularly like. I like an early maturing cabbage, and for that I use these. These are greyhound, and in about 12, maybe 14 weeks, I should be harvesting these. I also like to grow broccoli or calabrese, and my favourite one is this one. And this is a Marathon F1, and if you've not grown it before, I urge you to give it a go. It's a very simple broccoli to grow, and it's very productive. And by sowing these seeds now, hopefully, I will avoid a lot of the pests, such as the caterpillars, possibly the pigeons. So sowing these now is ideal. I also have a little trick that I use when I'm sowing these seeds, and that is I do not use any heat to germinate them. I think by not using any heat, it makes the plant much stronger. So, brassicas are seeds you can sow in February. Another seed I like to sow in February are these, and these are spring onions. And remember, not all spring onions are white. Some are red. And these are some of my favourites. And the thing with spring onions is you can successionally sow them throughout the year to get a regular harvest. And they're excellent for growing in containers. Now, when I sow spring onions, I like to sow them into seed trays. I simply sprinkle a few into each cell and let them grow on. And once they've grown on, I can plant them wherever I want to, whether it be the garden, the allotment, or in a container. And that way, it beats some of the pests, particularly the slugs. So, spring onions are another seed I like to sow in February. Now, something else I will be sowing in February are carrots. And because I'll be sowing these into a container, I've gone for a variety that produce the finger-length carrots or the short carrots. And that variety is called Chantenay. And I'll be sowing them into a container around about this size. This is 11 litres. And this will be perfect for these small carrots to grow in because they will only grow probably halfway down this container. I'll fill this container with some finely sifted compost. I will then wet the surface, sprinkle some of the carrots on the top, trying not to put too many on to save me the job of having to thin them out later. And then once the seeds are sitting on the surface, I will cover that with a very fine layer of compost, and I'll just leave them to do their thing. So, carrots, another seed I'll be sowing in February. Now, something else I like to sow in February are these wrinkly little guys. These are a pea, and these are called early onward, and they are a very fast maturing pea, and I normally grow them in a gutter, and I hang it up here in the greenhouse to keep the mice and the pigeons away, and also the slugs. They're excellent for growing in containers, and I always find I can never grow enough peas, so I tend to use them as a garden sweet. I grow them in some containers, I pop them out here by the greenhouse door, and every time I come in and out, I pick a pod. Fresh peas, absolutely delicious. So something else you can grow and sow and start in February are peas, but it's always best if you choose an early, quick maturing variety. If you're going to grow some main crop peas, I'd probably wait until March. So, peas. Now, another seed I like to sow in February isn't actually a seed. It's these. These are bulbs, and these are for shallots or maybe for onions. And what I like to do is I like to pop them into cell trays. And that way it gives the chance for the roots and the shoots to grow and gives them a good head start. And I find these are lazy gardener's gold, because once you've planted them out in your allotment or in your garden, you just leave them and forget about them until it's time to harvest. So, shallots and onion bulbs, now's the time to start them. Now, February is the time when we start to look at our potatoes and start to chit them. And these are some potatoes that I saved from last year. These are main crop potatoes, so I won't be chitting these. I'll probably just plant them around about mid-April. However, I do have some early varieties, and they will need to be chitted or sprouted. And when you chit them, you can pop them into some egg boxes or into some cell trays, but it's vital you put the potato in the right way up. These are tiny sprouts, and this is the rose end, or the end where the potato was originally attached to the mother plant. It's important that you put this end down, and that enables the sprouts or the chits to develop. Chitting potatoes in February, just another job I'll be doing. Now, I did say earlier on in the video, as well as plenty of seeds to sow in February, there are also some that you need to avoid and delay. Don't make the mistake. And the one that comes to mind is a cucumber. It's definitely not time for cucumbers yet, or for basil, because they are a warmer weather crop. Another thing not to sow are runner beans or French beans, because once these have germinated, they grow pretty quickly, and it will soon be time to put them out, and the temperatures will still be cold. Despite the fact that the daylight is drawing out in February, it's still pretty cool. So, as well as plenty to sow, bear in mind there are some you should avoid. So those are a few of the things that I'll be sowing this February, whether it be brassicas, carrots, peas, or starting your onion sets and shallots, or chitting your potatoes. February is an excellent time to get ahead this season. And I hope this has given you a few ideas. Anyway, I'm Gang Gang. This is Gang Gang and Peanuts. 2 peas in a pod. And as ever, until next time, take care. Bye.